NCERT syllabus for Class 1. English, Chapter 7. Once I saw a little bird. Let's know new words. Bird. A type of animal that has wings, beak, and feathers and can fly. Example, sentences. Number 1. I want to keep a bird as a pet. Number 2. That bird is very beautiful. Hop. To jump over. Example, sentences. Number 1. I like to hop in the rain. Number 2. I will hop over the stone. Stop. To bring to an end. Example, sentences. Number 1. The bus will stop now. Number 2. I will not stop speaking. Tail. The part of an animal's body that extends from the animal's back end. Example, sentences. Number 1. The tail of a squirrel is very soft. Number 2. Elephant has a very small tail. Window. An opening in a wall where glass is put so that people can see outside. Example, sentences. Number 1. Please open the window. Number 2. There is no window in my room. Question 1. What did the child see? Answer. The child saw a little bird. Question 2. What was the little bird doing? Answer. The little bird came hopping to the window and then shook his tail and flew away. Question 3. Do you see any birds around your school or your house? Answer. Yes, I see many birds around my school and house every day. Yesterday I saw some pigeons. Question 4. Have you tried talking to them? Answer. Yes, I tried talking to a bird 2 days ago, but it did not talk to me. Question 5. Say these words loud and talk about the picture. Roof, door, windows, walls. The roof is pink or blue. The roof is pink. The walls are yellow or red. The walls are yellow. The windows are green or brown. The windows are brown. The door is blue or grey. The door is blue. Well done, kids. For more educational videos, subscribe to Catrack Kids TV.